Well, I'll do my best.
We'll have a good footage.
I'll do my best, mate. Oh, that was a save and a half. That feels underpowered, man.
Yeah, it looks underpowered to me as well, but and also I think the battery is way forward, so
Too nose heavy, you reckon?
down. Right, settle. Little more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Is it alright?
Yes. Looks alright to me now. Yes. Looks fine. I think that is the reason, you know, it just dropped because of the nose heaviness.
It was a lot of nose, too much nose weight.
Yeah. Move the battery back a little. Let's see. Throttle back. And
That's throttle off. It glides well. Mate, you did good to save that. That was an awesome save.
yeah. It took off. I think it took a bump.
Yeah, it got a bounce off the ground.
Yeah.
But it wasn't a hard hit. So it stayed well intact.
That was a triple save.
That was a really good save.
Looks fine to me. It felt underpowered at that time.
I reckon you might be right. Next flight, move the battery back about 10 mil or so.
Yeah. Guys, landing.
Landing.
Oh, sorry, you landing, eh?
Yeah, we are.
Right, go on.
Oh, do you guys need to come in?
Nah, we'll fly around. You land.
All right.
Go around one more time.
That's it, mate. You lined up beautifully. Oh, look at that. Buttery smooth, mate. Well done.
Thank you, guys.
Great show. Good stuff.